Welcome to the PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Global Accessibility Awareness Day. The Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, DEPwD, under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, is organizing the Inclusive India Summit on May 15th, 2025. The day is coinciding with Global Accessibility Awareness Day, GAAD, which is observed annually on the third Thursday of May, to raise awareness about digital accessibility and inclusion for persons with disabilities. Let us talk about key highlights of the summit. The summit will be held in a hybrid format, physical and virtual, at the India International Centre, New Delhi, in partnership with SBI Foundation, National Association for the Blind, NAB, Association of People with Disability, APD, and Mission Accessibility. The event aims to promote inclusive development and enhance digital accessibility across India, fostering collaboration among the government, industry, academia, civil society, and the Divyang community to ensure equal opportunities and accessible environments. Let us discuss about Global Accessibility Awareness Day. Global Accessibility Awareness Day is observed annually on the third Thursday of May. The day aims to raise awareness about digital accessibility and inclusion for over 1 billion people worldwide with disabilities or impairments. The day was inspired by a 2011 blog post by web developer Joe Devon, who later co-founded the event with accessibility professional Jenison Asuncion in 2012. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, on which date is the Inclusive India Summit scheduled in 2025? A. 10th May, B. 15th May, C. 20th May, D. 20th May. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.